Hi, I'm Karen, and I'm here to talk to you about WordPress. WordPress is a content management system that allows you to create and manage a website without any coding knowledge. It's the most popular CMS in the world. WordPress is easy to use and customize even for beginners, and it's also open source, which means it's free to use and modify. There are thousands of plugins and themes available for WordPress, which can extend its functionality and design. You can use WordPress to create a blog, a portfolio, an online store, or even a large enterprise website. It's scalable and flexible enough to meet the needs of any project. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use CMS, WordPress is a great option. It's the perfect choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Follow Nhera Devs to enjoy more content.